Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can follow someone on BitUnix. So let's go and do that. Now you can follow up to 10 different trades simultaneously to diversify your strategies. Let's go. Now right here at the top, go to the futures and then at the end copy trading. Click on that. Like that. Now browse right at this here window. You will see some options like that. Now also you can set up here some days, then penny ROI, you have win rate or AUM. So you can basically, this is like some filter option right here. Also you can search right here if you know someone personally. Then what you can do, you can click on the trader and then you can analyze it a little bit so that fits your style and everything. And when you are ready with that and happy how this trader performs, you just simply click on copy now and you will be redirected to this option right here. So fixed amount or multiplier. So if we go to fixed amount, we set up here amount per order, then amount. So let's go with this one, something like that. And then we can also set up the stop loss. And when we are happy with it, just hit the copy button and we will basically now copy this trader also with our profile and with this 7-day ROI rate. So he has win rate 44%. So yeah, this is how you can copy someone, follow someone on BitUnix. And yeah, do your own research and then try to find someone that fits your style. And this is it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next.